Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the new Realme 9i, and this is a new mid-range phone from Realme which is costing around 37,000 PKR in Pakistan market. So in this price range we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. Also we have 33-watt fast charging. This phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size. On the back we have 50 megapixel AI triple cameras. This phone has a 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. Also in the color I have is the prism blue color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. That's really good thing. So here's the box of the Realme 9i, and the box of the bigger brother Realme 9 and the Realme 9 Pro Plus also had this look. So now let's quickly unbox the Realme 9i. First let me remove the plastic like this, and this phone also available in the gray color as well, and this phone is only launched in this variant. Again we have 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. So on the top we get one more mini box. Inside of this box we should see a silicone case. Let's see. Yes, and the first thing we get a SIM injection tool. Also we get a quick start guide. We also get a important information guide. Also we get a soft silicone case, and the sides of this case is matte. That's really good thing. So here is the device, Realme 9i. Now let's out the phone from this box like this. And here is the Realme 9i in the prism blue color. So now let's out the phone from this plastic. And here is the Realme 9i looks like in the prism blue color. On the back we have matte finish, although the back is made up of plastic, and the frame also is made up of plastic. And the prism blue color of this phone looks really beautiful. Again we have a triple cameras. On the back we also have these lines, but in reality you cannot feel this line. Now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we also have a screen protector, and the logo is here. Now let's see what test we get. And then the phone, and the first thing we get the charger itself. So now let's see the rating, and you can see, and guys, and this is a 33 watt, and you can see it says that it is 11 volt with a 3 ampere. Also we get a cable which is a USB type C to USB A cable, and you can see we get USB type C. No headphones inside the box. Now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Realme 9i, and guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, as well as headphone jack. This phone also has a dual speakers. On the left hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, and you can see as well as a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray. On this phone we should see a full-size SIM slot. Yes, you can use one micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-size SIM slot. Inside the SIM tray we does not have any rubber. On the top we have noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side we have a power on a button, in which we also have a side mounted fingerprint scanner. Again the frame of this phone is made up of aluminium. On the back we have triple cameras, and you can see we have 50 megapixel main camera. Also we have 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. No ultra wide lens on this phone, and that's really disappointing because in this price range we should see ultra wide on this phone. Now let's talk about the display. On the front we have 6.6 inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, and that's really disappointing. Also we have punch hole on the left hand side. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first port of the Realme 9i, and you can see we does not get any new wallpaper with the Realme 9i. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone has a IPS LCD display. Although in the colors of the display looks nice, Realme should go on with the AMOLED display with the Realme 9i. So now let's see the Android version on this phone, and this phone is running on Android 11, and you can see no Android 12 as of now. So that's really disappointing. Also we have extended RAM feature on this phone. We have 128GB of internal storage out of 110GB. It is available for you guys. This phone also running on Realme UI version 2.0. So now let's go to the display, and let me show the refresh rate option. In the more section we have 90Hz refresh rate. On default it is on auto. Now let's look at the camera. So here's the camera looks like on this phone, and you can see on the top we also have a AI mode. We also have a video mode. Again no ultra wide lens on this phone. That's really disappointing. In the back camera maximum shoot Full HD at 30 fps, no 4K with the back camera. We also have night mode again with the main camera. We also have a portrait mode. In the effects option it does not have any AI color portrait feature on this phone. In the mode section, we also have a slow motion. So we also have a time lapse. We also have a pro expert mode, extra HD. We also have a panorama, ultra macro mode also available on this phone, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. Although the quality in this lighting condition is okay. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone also has the fingerprint scanner on the side, and the fingerprint scanner, it is really fast on this phone, and the haptics, it is also really decent on this phone. This phone has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So here's the front camera look like, and the front camera looks really bad on this phone. Everything looks overexposed, I don't know why. And the front camera also shoots full HD at 30 fps, no 60 fps option with the front camera. Night mode also available with the front camera, also the portrait mode. Guys, now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size. Also, we have 33 watt fast charging, and the battery life on this phone should be really good on this phone, because we have Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor, which is based on 6nm architecture. And that's about it. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Realme 9i. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And more videos regarding the Realme 9i is also coming soon, and stay tuned for that. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.